Welcome back everyone to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX, and today we are playing Pfhactory 2.2 CS by Reddig. This will be, assuming a more or less retread of something we've done before, it's a different version. Well, that's pretty cool though. An intro screen with even a little sound in it. Just like a short, pretty minimalist, eerie sound, but makes it more enticing. Makes me want to see what's been updated. Oops. Something coming. Where did everyone go? It's unusually quiet. All right. How the fuck kill me from that distance? I can understand being majorly damaged, but all the way. Oh, that was pretty comical. Alright. He's safe here? Yeah. What's in here? Damn it. Okay, time to get out of here before more pile in. See what else is around. Well, I basically already know. Double kill. I didn't expect that would have enough splash damage to kill them both right where it landed. Weird shotgun sniping. I don't know if there's any other first-person shooter I can think of in which it's more effective to snipe with the shotgun than it is a marathon. Like maybe sniping is not necessarily the right word, but considering the distance which you normally expect to use a shotgun, that one that really changed things. In some ways, it seems like it can be more effective for longer distances than the SMG or pistols or whatever else. It's certainly not always effective, especially if you just have one shotgun instead of two. But there is enough widespread and steady enough firing rate with dual shotguns that you can feasibly have an easier time hitting your target at a long distance with that. But who knows? Maybe it's more like that in some cases than you might think in real life. I don't really know much about guns, but I know that the way that we've been conditioned to think about some of them, in particular the shotguns from movies and video games, isn't necessarily how they are in reality. So Durandal Mapmakers Club, DMMC week of 12 seem to spill off the edge of the screen, but we got 4 levels here, including 2 versions supposedly of Waterworld Arena, assuming it's not just an accidental duplicate. Let's see about Assault of the Bobs. Okay. This is kind of odd. Looks like almost like a repurposing of a single player level. They seem to be not noticing me. This is pretty cool, but I can't find a weapon. This was made by a club, huh? Well, I'm assuming it's a bunch of individual contributors. I wonder what the criteria was for submission. Be fairly labyrinthine and difficult to locate weapons in. I wonder if there are even any teleporters around here. Maybe it'd be easier for me to tell if I stopped to check, but I don't really have any indications any of these spots are for teleporting, especially seeing as it's somewhat submerged in sewage. So I wonder if there's a way to change it. I think that's a cool idea to have in certain levels, to be able to change the height of the liquid. Okay, so I have to go back here. I guess the idea is that this is supposed to be like a race for the weapons here, but they don't respawn, seemingly, at least not often enough. So there doesn't seem to be much point to it, really. What's even the idea with this? I suppose you could try to possibly grenade hop your way up here and then shoot down on your enemy. This seems sort of unfinished to me. There's some blurring aspects to it, but could stand to be updated. Seems like the best strategy, other than getting the kills early by picking up the very few supplies there are on the level, is to basically fist charge the fist and pistol bots. At least in the bot match version. Yeah, I guess it's mainly meant to be like a boxing level. Alright. Well, so much for that. Let's see about Flange 1.1. Well, this is interesting. Look at that setup. Oh, invincibility this early, huh? I wonder if that responds at all. Maybe it says in a README file something who did what, if it's more than one person. I mean, I'm sure it is if it says Mapmakers Club, but damn it, I can't move forward. I see that there's a triple shield capsule back here. I'm getting sent below the map from the rocket impact. Okay, so this is pretty good, but I can't seem to get to a good enough vantage point in time for the invincibility to really help me. See, look at that. It's already going away. Oh, and there's a map skip there too. Glad to finally be in here though, with the cage for a cage match. Damn it. Oh, you can totally walk through it, huh? I'm getting knocked back down in the liquid over and over. See if I can get rid of these guys from up here. Okay, I guess the best way to get out of here at this point is to go through here instead of trying to rise up directly. Because as it is, the bots already know how to get to me. But then again, I guess I have to do this too. See if I can, okay, I'm able to do this. Okay. Got auto switched. Alright. Well, that was better. Next up is Waterworld Arena. Here we go with another arena level. Just really can see where I can get up. I'm having a problem with this map, with this pack, with getting up out of water, only to meet instant death pretty much each and every time. Okay, maybe it'd be better to rise up out of here. Doing pretty well with the flamethrower here. Okay, now I'm getting better at being able to survive in there, but not for very long. Fuck, how did I get stuck? Alright, doing better here. Where the fuck am I? Looks like that flamethrower's been my saving grace in this level. And it is pretty generous in this map with the shields. Alright, let's see about the other version. So far it looks like the same thing, so it looks like they just maybe accidentally cloned it. But yeah, no problem. Let's do it again, see if I can do better. Looks like a good strategy is to go here, pick up the rocket launcher, and then go up to one of the ledges somehow. Jeez. Maybe that isn't a good place to get up at. Every time I get some shields, it's immediately taken away. Shotgun are gonna come in here. Shit. Have it not kill anybody. I'm surprised that. Never mind. Okay, this is working better. Oh, jeez. Alright, well that's it for today. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will go to, let's see which is next. Egan Rock by Kevin Simpson. I'm assuming that's a slight misspelling of Kevin Simpson, whose last level, the grottos, didn't work. Actually, because of that, let's see if this one works. Egan Rock, whatever that's in reference to. Okay, so far, yeah. Yeah, let's check it out then. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.